Our first intermediate project for Avajulis Craft community is finally here. Ladies and gentlemen, I am thrilled to introduce the Wendy Bucket Bag to you. Whether you're a seasoned bag maker or you're just starting out, this bag is designed to inspire and delight. Let's dive in. This is the Wendy Bucket Bag. She's stunning, isn't she? So let us talk about what makes this bag so special and why you would enjoy making her. First, let's talk about the inspiration behind this design. So the Wendy Bucket Bag is named after a member of the Avajulis Craft community on Facebook who requested for the pattern of this bag, okay? So she requested last year and I made a prototype. I made a video of me making the prototype on my personal YouTube channel, DIY Juliet, because I was not ready to make the actual bag. So during that period, my mom requested for the church bag, so I decided to make the real thing. Now the one I made for my mom was convertible. It had backpack straps and all that, and it was lovely. My mom loves that it is convertible. I also love that it is convertible, but as a bag maker, I didn't like that it is convertible, so I decided to get rid of the convertible features, okay? So when they requested for the pattern, I decided to make it domestic sewing machine friendly and flatbed sewing machine friendly. I added my own features. The bag that she requested for was made with leather. It had no lining whatsoever, no zipper. One thing I love about this bag so much is the base. So let us dive into the key features. So first off, let us talk about the straps, okay? So we have a top handle strap here, and I really love the way we made the top handle strap. Then we have a crossbody strap. Now the crossbody strap is not compulsory, but for that versatility, I love it. So these are our straps. We have two main straps, okay? The top handle and the crossbody, and I really love the way it looks with the crossbody strap. Now let us talk about other parts of the exterior. First, we have our main pockets, our main front pockets. Now this bag, I call it the slip pocket bag because we are going to learn how to make slip pockets in 3 different ways, okay? So we have the slip pockets on the front and we have 2 slip pockets on the interior. 3 slip pockets actually, okay? So we have a slip pocket here that is secured with a magnetic snap rivet, although you can use any type of closure you want. You can do the twist and turn. You can use the normal magnetic snap closure, okay? So we have the same at the back. Now for this bag, the front and the back is identical, all right? There is no difference between the front and the back. Now we also have 2 pockets at the sides, 2 pockets on each side, which makes it 4 pockets in total on the exterior. Now my favorite part of this bag is right here, guys. The base, this beautiful envelope style base. We are going to learn how to construct this. Now Avajulis Craft patterns are mostly courses, like they are bag making courses before they are even patterns, okay? Because we strive on teaching. You are going to learn new tips, new tricks, new techniques, okay? Now if you ask me, I feel like this area right here is very good for fuzzy cutting, so get creative. Now let us move on. Now for the main exterior, for the main closure rather, we have a recessed zipper closure. So if you're a beginner who is transitioning into the intermediate phase, you get to learn how to make a recessed zipper. Now in my opinion, if you are an advanced beginner or an optimistic beginner who loves challenges, you would really make this bag no problems, okay? Now this bag is not challenging at all. Even a beginner can make this bag, all right? So now we open it and we have this wide interior that is so wide it can contain a lot of items, okay? So first off, we have a regular slip pocket, and here we have 2 pockets. This is a pleated slip pocket. You are going to learn how to make a pleated slip pocket. So in total, we have 3 pockets on the interior. And you also get the option of adding a key leash. You also get the option of adding a key leash so you don't go crazy looking for your keys. I personally hate it when I have to dive into my bag looking for things, okay? So you get the option of adding a key leash. Now the lining method is a drop-in lining. We are doing a drop-in lining. I feel like the turning lining is very popular in bag making, and we don't really do the drop-in lining a lot, so we are practicing the drop-in linings. Okay, this bag is very easy, and I also love that the recessed zipper panels, they lay flat when not in use. Very lovely. For this bag, as you can see, I used Ankara and denim. You can never go wrong with this combo. Ankara is cotton. This particular Ankara is 100% cotton and denim. For the interior, I used a raincoat material because I want the lining to be waterproof. Okay, so this is a raincoat material and I love it very much. Now this is a soft and slouchy bag. It is not structured, so I used fleece for the main stabilizer, but if you want more structure, you could definitely do sewing foam, or I do not advise you to use Decovil lights, but sewing foam is great and to give the bag more structure. Okay, now some of our testers use vinyl and other materials. I am going to leave their photos at the end of the video so that you get inspired. Shout out to our testers, by the way, they are exceptional. Ready to make the Wendy Bucket Bag your own? You can find the pattern in our store. I am going to leave all the links in the comment section, not the description, the comment section below. The instructions are easy to follow. We have step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow, and I also have a video tutorial on my personal YouTube channel. I am going to leave all the details linked in the comment section. So this pattern is currently on sale for a limited time till September 16th, and if you're a member of the community on Facebook, you get an exclusive discount. Now if you're not a member, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join. Give us a follow on Instagram, like our page on Facebook, and subscribe here on YouTube.